Hey guys, wanted to give you an update from our lovely company Barnabas Robotics. So today I want to talk about building community. So when we do our classes, I'll say, hey guys, we are here to build robots, and we are also here to build relationships / community. The idea is that if we get a bunch of engineers, tinkerers, learners to come together and to bring what they have, some amazing stuff can happen. There are times when it's really good to work alone, struggle through something to figure out how it works, and then there are other times where it's great to collaborate. Because you know what? We are not all meant to be good at everything. We do have strengths, but we also have weaknesses, but the idea that when we come together, we can actually do something great. So all that to say, I have an example of community building through tech that I would love to share with you. This here is a 3D printed body. The way that this thing was designed was actually through a friend of ours, Evan Woolery, if you're out there. Hello. As we were working on that project, we thought, hey, maybe that robot could become a 3D version. So then we asked our friend Christine Sue. Christine helped us then take that drawing that Evan had contributed and make it 3D, and then eventually take that 3D model so that we can 3D print it. I also want to mention Christine, who designed the 3D version of this, also designed the puzzle piece 2D version of this so that we can cut out wood through our laser cutter and then piece these together. So this is an ongoing project. As you see, the body looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. We kind of tweaked the teeth here, you know, with the size of the teeth and the interlocking. You'll see the head though, it looks brown, or it is brown, but it's not wood yet. Nor are the arms, so that's something we're still working on as well. So I just wanted to share about this. This is one of our ongoing open source projects. So if you have a laser cutter or know anyone with a laser cutter, you might want to try out building one of our robots at home. If you are a designer and would like to help contribute to our project, let us know.